Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is another Burgh unboxing, and this is my friend Chris in the wilds of Los Angeles, California, by the Pacific Ocean. So Chris sends me this, and there was a buy one, get one free offer on here, and I'm going to pay him for my half on the 1st of July when I have money. This is William Cooper, Behold a Pale Horse, the DVD. So I will watch this when I get the chance. I cannot unfortunately watch it on my MacBook on the train because the DVD player stopped working, or never worked when I bought it. So I'll have to sit down and watch this in the next week. And I can't watch it on my Mac because it's dead, so I'll have to clear the table and plug it into my Blu-ray player. And my last remaining CD player has died, so I'm in deep trouble for playing CDs until I buy something new. But William Cooper was a major conspiracy fellow, said to be one of the founders of the militia movement, a tax fighter, and was shot and killed by sheriff's deputies, and he was one of the U.S. Marshals, and he talked about the Illuminati, alien abductions, how America is going to go for total gun control, because these events are staged and all of that, and he was shot and killed. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Thanks, Chris. You'll get your money on the 1st of the month, or actually more like the 2nd, because I have to go to Oakland to pay the interest on my GoPro camera and take Kathy out to lunch finally. But I'll mail you the money. I've got your address, so let me put that in the drawer of saving. I need the bag of holding for all this stuff, I think. All right, have a great day. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Stay warm, dry, wet, or safe out there as the case may be, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.